Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter 10 of your EVS textbook Hututu Hututu. I hope you will enjoy this chapter very much. First of all, I am going to read out this chapter. What are these girls doing? They are shouting out, out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. What do you call this game? Chedu-gudu, Hututu, Chu-kit-kit, Hadudu or Kabaddi or something else? When 6 girls surrounded Shyamala and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs and somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist, but Shyamala was not the one to give up. She dragged herself and managed to touch the line in the center. Now you understand, these girls are playing Kabaddi, and this girl in green t-shirt, she is Shyamala, okay, and she is surrounded by all the 6 girls. Clear? Now next, when Shyamala touched the line, all the girls of the opposite team were holding her. So all of them got out. Why they got out? Because Shyamala touched the center line. Okay. Have you played Kabaddi? You know all the rules of Kabaddi. I know. Because in our school, many times you used to play Kabaddi during your games period. These girls are also playing Kabaddi. Okay. और जो श्यामला है वो क्या कर रही है? श्यामला जो है वो सेंटर लाइन को टच कर रही है और बाकी की टीम जो है ऑपोजिट टीम ने उनको पकड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है. और श्यामला जो है उसने जो सेंटर लाइन है, दिस इज द सेंटर लाइन. ओके, दिस वन इज द सेंटर लाइन एंड श्यामला टच द सेंटर लाइन एंड ऑल ऑफ देम गॉट आउट. बट रोजी आर्ग्यूड. रोजी ने क्या कहा? That Shyamala had taken a breath in between, so the team was not out. जो opposite team थी येलो टी शर्ट वाली, there was a girl Rosie. She said कि श्यामला ने बीच में ब्रेथ ले ली, सांस ले ली है. और आपको पता है जब कबड्डी कबड्डी कहते कहते हम सांस ले लेते हैं तो आउट हो जाते हैं. लेकिन श्यामला ने क्या कह रही है कि श्यामला कह रही है कि मैंने सांस नहीं छोड़ी. और आर्ग्यू कौन कर रहा है? रोजी. एंड शी सेड शी हैड टेकन अ ब्रेथ. शी सेड दैट इफ शी हैड टेकन ए ब्रेथ, व्हाई डिड द गर्ल्स कीप होल्डिंग हर? श्यामला ने कहा कि अगर मैंने सांस ले ली थी तो आप सब ने मुझे पकड़ के क्यों रखा? देयर वॉज अ बिग आर्गुमेंट. फाइनली श्यामला वॉन. हु वॉन? श्यामला वॉन द गेम ऑफ कबड्डी. सो this is what a game of Kabaddi is like. Pushing and pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling on the ground. It is a rough game, yet it has many rules. You know, all the games have certain rules, just like Kabaddi also have some rules. It is lots of fun and lots of exercise. Holding your breath while running and continuously saying kabaddi kabaddi and also trying to touch the players of the opposite team. So many things to do in kabaddi. You can do this as long as you can hold your breath. इसमें आपको पता है सांस रोक के you have to say kabaddi 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 kabaddi. Okay? You need to use both your body and mind in this game. In which game? In Kabaddi. You have to use your strength to pull or stop the players. आपको पूरा जोर लगाना पड़ता है अपना दूसरे प्लेयर्स को रोकने के लिए. एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट हाउ टू एंटर द अदर साइड. आपको साथ में ये भी देखना है कि किस तरह से आप दूसरी साइड से अंदर, दूसरी टीम के अंदर जा सकते हैं. यू हैव टू डिसाइड whom to touch quickly and come back. और आपको ऑपोजिट टीम के प्लेयर को टच करके वापस अपनी टीम में आना होता है. सो दिस इज अ गेम इन विच बोथ बॉडी एंड माइंड आर इंक्लूडेड. If you get caught, then how do you reach the line in the center? Karnam Malleshwari. Have you seen or read about her in the newspapers about Karnam Malleshwari? Karnam Malleshwari, do you know? She is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Malleshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. Now, she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. Karnam Malleshwari is very famous international weightlifter and she is from Andhra Pradesh. Okay students, now there is a story of 3 sisters. Look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? But they are different. The picture is of the 3 sisters, Jwala, Leela and Hira. They live in Mumbai. All 3 of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. Jwala tells, when we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. Which game? Kabaddi game. Why the girls are not allowed to play kabaddi? She will tell. People thought that if girls played such rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' dress in this game. Boys' clothes to play kabaddi. That is why they stopped girls from playing kabaddi, because they thought that it is a rough game and nobody will marry their girl, their child if she play kabaddi. लोग सोचते थे कि अगर उनकी बेटी कबड्डी जैसी गेम खेलेगी जिसको कि एक रफ गेम माना जाता है तो कोई भी उससे शादी नहीं करेगा. The sisters were young when their father died. Their mother and mama's maternal uncles brought them up. Both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho-kho. They encouraged the 3 girls to play kabaddi. Jwala and Leela talk about their experiences. About almost 50 years ago, when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. Parents did not let them play the game, but we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mothers supported us. We 3 learned the game and some other girls also joined us. We formed a kabaddi club, which is an active even today. Remembering those days, Leela and Hira still get very excited when they talk about their matches. इसमें तीनों सिस्टर्स अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बता रही हैं कि जब वो मैच खेलते थे कैसा होता था. ठीक है. They tell how they won some matches which they were about to lose. जिनको वो एकदम हारने वाली थी पर फिर भी वो वाले मैच वो जीत गए. This was possible because of their strong will. Strong will very important. It is very important in any game. During those matches, some very interesting things happened. Once, they had to go to a different town for a big match. Leela tells, the match had to start at 6:30 in the evening. We went to see a movie from 3 to 6 o'clock. We thought we would be back in time for the match. As soon as the movie started, we noticed some noise and disturbance. It was created by our mama, who was looking for us in the hall with the torch. When he found us, he gave a big scolding right there in the cinema hall. The sisters had to face many difficulties because of kabaddi, but they did not stop them from having fun. Hira, the youngest sister, became a kabaddi coach. हीरा जो है कबड्डी की कोच भी है. She wishes that children like you should enjoy and play many games, especially kabaddi. Thank you, students.